In this example, we want to find out the magnetic force. Determine the magnitude of the force due to Earth's magnetic field that acts on a suspended power line running east-west near the equator. At the moment, it carries a current of 100 amps from west to east. Assume that the strength of the Earth's magnetic field at this point is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 Tesla. So we're going to find out the force on each meter of these power lines. So it's going to be B-I-L sine theta. That's how we find it. There is another formula which is BQV sine theta, but we need to use this one now. B is 5.0 times 10 to the power of negative 5. I is electric current, which is 100. L is, since it's for each meter, is going to be 1. And theta is 90 degrees, so sine theta is going to be 1. So 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 times 100 is going to be 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 Newton. So that's how we calculate the magnetic force.